Hello and welcome. According to the Pathfinder poll application, in this video I will try to review RWAX project with APP token, F token. Let's start. While I'm recording this video, RWAX project is located around 2000 on CoinGecko and it has a market cap approximately $7 million. Let's go to the web page. To go to the web page, we need to go to the Twitter first. Then we can go to the web page of the project. Let's see the slogan. The slogan is telling us the future of real-world assets on-chain. So they are basically now working on creating their own blockchain under RWAX. And in this on-chain, they are working on creating real-world assets application. On the top right, we can see the application is already alive, but the chain itself is not alive yet. So the token is basically located on Ethereum and some basic functions are already working. We will try to understand the project better in a minute, but now let's check the CoinGecko basic information first. So the maximum supply is shown as 3 billion, which is correct. While I'm recording this video, we can confirm it by checking Etherscan webpage. You can click this webpage, you can see the total supply and the maximum supply is 3 billion, and you can also confirm the circulation number is nearly correct. So in this video, the circulation percentage is moving around 30 and total supply, maximum supply fixed 3 billion. And the token is located on basically on Ethereum. But soon after they release their own blockchain, of course, they will transfer some of the tokens from Ethereum to their own chain, and then these tokens can move a little bit. So there was a pre-sale and there were many vesting schedules. That is why they cannot move the maximum supply significantly. So after releasing their chain, I think there will be an inflation yearly, maybe around 2 or 3%. So with this in mind, let's check the chart. We can confirm the token is listed on CoinGecko for the last 1 year, and 1 year on CoinGecko, 30% of circulation supply is telling us that this project is a young project. When we check the markets, we can confirm there are some known names in this list. So before going deeper, let's have a quick summary. According to the tokenomics, the risk is medium because there is a huge vesting schedule currently. And according to the price and chart, the risk is between medium and low. It is closer to the medium. According to the markets, the risk is nearly zero. So we will continue with GitHub, but there is no GitHub link on CoinGecko for this project. And in their website also, I could not find a GitHub link. If you know it, please share. I will be happy. So according to the GitHub, the project is not getting a check mark. After 1 year, we expect there should be a GitHub link and we need to see the developments. And according to Twitter, the posts are coming up regularly and they're all regarding the project. There is no problem at all. Let's go to the webpage back and let's try to understand what this project is actually. So the project is working on creating their own blockchain. Let's put the blockchain in here, and they have their own application currently running with some basic features, and many things are not working yet. So this is the application, and this is the RWAX blockchain itself. So they are communicating with each other, and this application making the transactions on RWAX blockchain, hopefully in the near future. So there will be a staking mechanism. This staking mechanism, another version is already working under this application on Ethereum currently. But of course, after release of the blockchain itself, the staking mechanism will transfer slowly and transaction fees will be handled in here. Then there will be a DAO mechanism as well. So under the application, what this project is trying to handle, they are listing real world asset tokens with categorization. Then we are able to buy and sell them. Buy, keep, sell, maybe stake in the future. We are able to do these kinds of things, and the transactions are creating some fees and again they're going into the value of RWAX project. And later on, after the release of the blockchain itself and the futures, considering they're already working, then they will release an SDK where the users are able to create their own real-world asset tokens by using this SDK and implement them under this application, and they will be working on the RWAX blockchain itself as well. So the project is basically using this model, but of course this is a very basic model. There are many other things, and there will be many other things in the near future. Now let's go through the web page as fast as possible. Following the slogan, we can see some statistics about the download of this application, and then we have stablecoin docs. Of course, stablecoin under this ecosystem are considering as some of the real world assets in the category. And then when we go down a little bit, we can see download application. We will see the web application in a minute. Let's go down a little bit more. The feature of RWA, real world assets on chain, is under RWX blockchain. We are creating this blockchain only for this category, and then there will be more than 50 real world assets on the application itself, and there will be an SDK, software development kit, for real world assets. You will be able to create your own RWA tokens by using this SDK. It is coming soon, not released yet. When we go down a little bit more, we can see the categorization for the real estate, city indices, commodities, gold, silver, platinum, copper, etc. For government bonds and stocks, so T-bill yields, stable coins, private credit, alternative asset classes, and fund exposure, as you can see. There are some links in here, important links. Add the network to MetaMask, coming soon. Blockchain Explorer is coming soon. Bridge is coming soon, but the application already arrived. So we'll see the application in a minute. When we go down a little bit more, onboard any real assets into Web3 via our SDK kit. That was what I'm talking about. So there are some categorization in here as well, but whatever you click, it's forwarding us to the dashboard. We will see the dashboard in a minute. So all of them is forwarding to the dashboard. And there are 3 numbers in here. So if you want to create real world assets as a company, you're in the correct place. If you want to reach the real world assets, you're in the correct place. And also if you want to combine Web3 and real world assets, you're in the correct place. So these explanations. When we go down a little bit more, we can see the quick links. The number 1 is dashboard, which we have seen. So dashboard is giving some analytics, some statistics to us. Currently, total assets 29, stablecoins 6, real estate 22, commodities 1, as you can see, and we can see some of them listed on this page. But the most important link is the application itself. We will see. The next one is the application. Let's click it from here. Let's log in to the application. When you use first time, you need to create a valid address. You need to take your mnemonic keys, etc. And then it's gonna make you create a PIN number. I have already done this part to show in this video. So when you log in, you can see your portfolio. I do not have anything currently. Real estate, commodities, Tether gold and silver, stablecoin, and USD bills, as you can see. In the next one, we can see again all of them. And in the next one, we can see the trades, daily login reward, trade, staking, and earn. So when you click trade, basically there is a decentralized exchange, which we can use currently. Number 2 is staking. Staking is working under Ethereum currently. And as you can see here, you can switch the network in here. But the staking is working on Ethereum basically. Number 3 is earn. So when you click this, you can come to this page, you can create your referral link and you can invite your friends, you can get some commission up to 20%. So that is all, but the most important thing is when you come to this page, for example, when you click New York, you learn the details in the detail page, and then when you click buy, as you can see, it is coming soon again. So the application itself is working, some basic features working, like decentralized exchange, like staking, etc. But the real world assets part is not working yet. So the next one is the real RWAX network coming soon, and we have already mentioned Twitter. When we go down a little bit more, we are coming to the end of the page. Blockchain coming soon, Explorer coming soon, documentation coming soon, white paper coming soon, and developers hub coming soon. And many things are coming soon. So we have finalized going through the web page as well. The last thing before analyzing should be the team, but I could not find the team information for this project. If you know any kind of link or information, the real official links or information, please leave a comment and we will learn from you. We will be happy. So according to the team, I cannot give a fully green mark to this project yet. So I could not find the team. Let's now try to analyze the project, starting with the negatives. So after 1 year, many things are coming soon. Nearly all the links are telling us coming soon, coming soon. Even the white paper, even the documentation is coming soon. So this is number one thing. We cannot follow GitHub. We cannot follow a YouTube channel. I could not find an official YouTube channel. We cannot find the team. We cannot follow what's going on with the team. And also there is a huge wasting schedule under this project. So these things are the negative things, but for the positive things, we still can follow the project following their Twitter page. When we follow their Twitter page, we can see the listing announcements, and they're already happening. They're actually happening. When we follow their Twitter page, we can see some announcements about releasing some products. So as I see in the past, for example, 1 year ago, this application was also has the tag as coming soon, and dashboard had a tag also as coming soon, but they released the dashboard and the application itself, and the decentralized exchange under the application is working, and the staking mechanism is working as well. So we need to follow their Twitter accounts to see what's going on. Not GitHub currently, not YouTube, but the Twitter. So these things are the positive things, and there is one very important positive thing for this project. If they really can release the chain without any hack incident, without any problems, and then when they make the real world asset transactions happening for real, then when they release the SDK, if we or the companies are really will be able to create their own real world asset tokens by using this SDK, this project has a potential to shine significantly in a market where real world assets trending. So there is this potential for this project for future, but not yet. So these things were the negatives and positives. Let's now try to analyze price-wise. If we are entering a huge bull market, of course, the price will jump at some point. But as you can see in here, the jumps will follow a drop. After the jump, there will be a drop because there is a huge vesting schedule currently, and the applications are not running in full mode yet. That is why in the bull market, of course, if a price purchasing attack is coming, the price value will jump. But soon, if there is no other jump very soon, the vesting schedule will put the price go down significantly after the jump. So if you're entering a huge bull market, I assume this move will repeat continuously. And after the bull market, when bear market arrives, of course, the price will go down. And if you ask me, this project has a potential to grow the lowest level line to an upper point. It has a potential if the coming soon things on the web page comes for real. So if they continue development and if we see the features are working after the bull market. In the bear market, I do not expect the price will go lower than the starting point. But if we are not entering a bull market, the price will go down slowly because even the development is going very good. The vesting schedule will push the price go down slowly. So this is the expectation. And for the location in the ranking, currently it's moving around 2000. If you ask me, if they release the chain, only the chain effect will bring the project between 1500 to 2000. And after the release of the chain, if the application starts to support the transactions for the real world assets, which currently not working, I expect this project to move from 1500 into the 1000 to 1500 level. So in a short and middle term, if they continue developments, if we see products are releasing continuously, the project's ranking has a potential to grow between 1000 and 1500. But after that point, to grow more than 1000, we cannot see that part from where we are currently at the beginning of 2025 because the vesting schedule is very heavy currently and the applications are not running. We cannot see the team and we cannot see the GitHub, etc. So to understand if this project has a potential to grow more than 1000, we need to check the project situation 1 year later again. Yeah. So for this project, that is all I can say. Please do not forget, nothing is financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. And hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.